Ever wondered how the wealthy manage to accumulate massive amounts of wealth? It's not just luck or chance. Today, I'm going to unveil the top 10 strategies that rich people use to multiply their wealth. So grab a pen and paper because you're in for a goldmine of knowledge. Strategy 1. Diversification. The rich are masters at diversifying their investments. They understand that it's crucial to spread financial risks across various asset classes. Stocks, bonds, real estate, and even business ventures are all part of their diversified portfolio. Strategy 2. Multiple income streams. Rich individuals don't rely on a single paycheck. They create multiple streams of income, such as investments, rental properties, royalties, and business ventures. This ensures a steady flow of wealth, even in turbulent times. Strategy 3. Market knowledge. The wealthy stay on top of market trends. They invest time in understanding various industries, economic indicators, and global events. This knowledge helps them make informed decisions and stay ahead of the game. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Strategy 4. Real estate investments. Rich people understand that real estate investments can be a reliable source of passive income. They carefully choose properties in prime locations and leverage them for even greater returns. Strategy 5. Risk management. Mitigating risks is a priority for the wealthy. They diversify their investments, use hedging strategies, and stay away from impulsive decisions. This helps them safeguard their wealth and minimize potential losses. Strategy 6. Networking. Rich individuals know the power of connections. They surround themselves with like-minded individuals, entrepreneurs, and influential business people. These valuable connections open doors to lucrative opportunities and partnerships. Strategy 7. Continuous learning. The wealthy never stop learning. They invest in their knowledge by reading books, attending seminars, and staying updated on the latest financial trends. This constant pursuit of knowledge allows them to adapt, innovate, and thrive in ever-changing markets. Strategy 8. Strategic investments. Rich people understand the importance of calculated risk-taking. Instead of chasing quick wins, they identify long-term opportunities that have the potential for substantial growth. This patient approach helps them multiply their wealth over time. Strategy 9. Entrepreneurship. Many wealthy individuals are entrepreneurs at heart. They take calculated risks, launch innovative businesses, and create wealth through their own vision. Entrepreneurship provides limitless potential and allows them to be in control of their financial destiny. Strategy 10. Long-term mindset. Finally, rich people possess a long-term mindset. They understand that wealth accumulation takes time and patience. They are willing to make sacrifices in the present for a brighter financial future. So there you have it, the top 10 strategies that rich people use to multiply their wealth. Now, it's time for you to take these strategies and apply them to your own financial journey.